Yes, indeed, we're in a digital world. From the comfort of your home, you can create a bank account without visiting any bank. All you need is an identification card, your phone, and a registered phone number. Now, here's how to do that. Head on to App Store or Play Store and download the ecobank mobile banking app. Once you're done downloading, tap on Open and hit on Get Started. And now you're going to choose No, I'm new to ecobank, and you're going to select your country and enter your registered mobile number. Don't start your number with 0, just start with the 5 or either 2 here, because you already have the country code over there. Then you're going to hit Open an ecobank account. So we are going to open an express account, hit the first one, and here you wait for your OTP pin, then you enter it over there. So you hit on Create Profile, then so you need to enter your real name. That's the same name on your Ghana card or your identity card over here. So you enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, and you enter your date of birth. Then you proceed also with your Gmail or your email address. Then you choose your gender, either male or female. Then you hit on Continue. Then here you're supposed to provide our identity card details. So you are going to select on Select ID Type. Then you choose National ID Card. So if you are in Ghana, you're going to use your Ghana card. And when entering your Ghana card ID number, make sure you start with the GHA followed by your number. Please don't include the hyphen in your ID number. Then you proceed with the date issued, your Ghana card, followed by your home address. So when you're done, you hit on Create Profile. Please have patience here. It takes time to fetch your profile. So I'm going to forward this part. And sorry I'm talking so fast. I just don't want the video to be long. Yeah, congrats. So successfully your account has been fetched. So you need to secure our account. So you are going to hit on Create a 6-digit pin. Yep. So make sure you create your digit pin. Please don't forget this pin, okay? It's very important. Anytime you want to log into your account, you're going to enter that pin, okay? So please take very note of it. So here you choose a security questions for your password recovery issue in case you forget your pin. So make sure you choose a familiar question that you know the answer to it easily, okay? So that in the near future, you won't forget the answer you gave here. To show appreciation, you can use my referral code on the screen, or you can choose to hit on Skip to proceed to the next stage. So if your phone supports Face ID or a fingerprint, it's going to ask you if you want to enable it so you can easily log in with your Face ID or your fingerprint here. Okay, so with the Express account, the maximum amount you can receive in your account or you can save in your account is up to 15,000 Ghana cedis. So if you want to save more than 15,000 Ghana cedis, then you need to upgrade to Express Account Plus. So you can choose on Verify Now to do that, or you can do it later. Okay, yeah. Now your bank account, my bank account, our bank account has been created successfully without moving an inch to any bank. So should in case you want to see the balance you have in your account, you can tap on See or Show My Balance. And there you go, you're going to see your balance. So me, I have 0.00 in my my account here. And if you want to upgrade to the Express Plus because you want to receive maximum money in your account, you just tap on View All and you hit on the upgrade. Then you proceed, or you provide your details that they are going to request for. Okay. So if you want to add fund into your account, you can transfer money from your other bank into your account, or it will automatically be linked to your mobile money if in case you have activated mobile money on your SIM. And also it can be used to generate virtual cards, so you can use for your online transaction and other stuff. So in my previous video, I talked about how essential or important virtual card is. So I needed to do a video about how to create a virtual card, but I'm going to use this platform. So I needed to show you how to create an account on this platform before we proceed with a virtual card. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you are going to generate your virtual card from this platform and how you are going to add fund from our mobile money and also to load up our virtual card. So if you are in any country where EcoBank is available, you can use this service. If you're in Ghana and you encounter any challenges, this number displayed on the screen, contact them. That's the EcoBank support line, and they will help you out. But if you're in another country, I don't know, make you check online and get their support line. And don't forget to follow me for more updates. My name is Qwabs. Listen to the top because that's where I'm going to be.